If you want ChatGPT to find fresh information from the web in real time, this video is going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT Search step by step. This is super helpful when you need up-to-date answers, recent news, product details, live comparisons, or anything that can change over time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the chat window, look at the message bar at the bottom. This is where you'll type your prompt, but before you do that, you need to open the tool menu. You can usually do this by clicking the plus icon in the message bar, or by selecting View All Tools depending on what version of ChatGPT you're using. When the Tools menu opens, look for the Search option. It usually appears as a globe icon or a magnifying glass icon. This is the feature that lets ChatGPT search the web instead of only using its built-in knowledge. Click Search to turn it on. Once it's enabled, ChatGPT will know that your request should include live web results. Now type your question into the chat box. Be as clear as possible about what you want to know. For example, you could ask for recent updates, current prices, breaking news, trending topics, or the latest information on a specific product or company. After you type your prompt, press Enter to submit it. At this point, ChatGPT will search the web and use the newest available information to generate a response. Depending on your question, it may summarize several sources, pull in current details, or give you a more timely answer than a normal chat response. If needed, you can also ask follow-up questions to narrow the results, compare sources, or get more specific information. A helpful tip is to be precise with your prompt. Instead of asking something broad like what's happening in technology, try asking for the latest AI news this week or current laptop recommendations under a certain budget. The more specific you are, the better the search results usually are. Another thing to remember is that ChatGPT Search works best when you want real-world, up-to-date information. It's ideal for research, planning, shopping comparisons, travel details, and current events. If the answer depends on timing, recent data, or live information, Search is the tool you want to use. So to recap, open the tool menu, select Search, type your question, and press Enter. That's the whole process. It's quick, simple, and one of the best ways to get fresh web-based answers directly inside ChatGPT. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.